dating Sports and Recreation Manager. Nagmamayari na po ngayon ng high-tech na gym na dinarayon pa rin ng mga dignitaryo at iniendorso para matataas na opisyal na kumaman mula po Boston. Hindi na po yan. So, so the video.
Patok at pinag-uusapan ngayon dito sa Oman, ang high-tech na gym na itinayo ni Hector Napone. Kakaiba ang mga gamit na in-import sa Italy at mismo ang Secretary General ng Ministry of Foreign Affairs ng Oman ang nag-i-endorso nito.
I'm honored, very pleased to be invited by the Black Express enormous warm thanks for bringing this in to your support and your passion to Muscat. Obviously, the old saying says that lying against the 40. And I want to say that having tried to have a modern team, I can comfortably say that really life is here in that house.
Graduate ng Bachelor of Science, major in Business Management sa Ateneo de Cagayan si Hector. Nagtrabaho siya bilang Sports and Recreation Manager bago magnegosyo.
It took me 10 years in employment to study, to enhance my wits, to understand the business and the behavior of the market in Oman. And eventually I made a decision.
Nakilala at tinangkilik ang gym mula nung nagbukas noong January 2012, kaya nagtayo sila ng pangalawang branch.
Traditional approach gyms have never been challenged, for many decades ago. And I've seen that there are gaps in there, value that have been overlooked. So I have come, studied to put, elements together to bridge the gap.
Physical fitness ang isipang negosyo ni Napone dahil kakaunti pa lang ang meron ito sa Oman at kailangan maturuan ng mga tao ng tamang pangangalaga ng katawan.
It's very important for us to work out kasi yung katawan natin hindi lang naman kailangan na ganito lang basta. Well, we are just a steward of our body, yes. So it helped me to boost my self-esteem.
Eksklusibo ang membership at one-on-one ang ginagawa nilang pagtuturo sa customers.
Our business really is about helping people change their lifestyle. And nowadays, it's a very important component of our life to experience balance.
Nabigyan din na po ng trabaho ang mga kababayan.
Thank you so much and then for helping me and also all the team to give this opportunity.
Balak din na po na i-franchise ang kanyang negosyo at magtayo ng ikatong branch sa Pilipinas. Roman Solvilla, ABS-CBN News, Muscat, Oman.